And finally, 225. I think I can say and finally here with this, and this one will be short. One of the training materials we are going to predicate some of, actually not some of, most of what we see in the software and the hardware demos are going to be a mixture between YouTube videos like the one you see back here. This one is Christopher O'Donnell, who does a really fantastic job of like talking step by step through trainings, and does it with an entire studio, I think, worth of at least, responsible for things like B-roll and editing, or that's his full-time job. So at any rate, we will have a mixture between a few of these types of YouTube videos. They will all of them be stand-up, production quality type videos, and videos that I put together for you and or with you, depending on where we are in the process here. Stay tuned for session 4. Videos that I put together for software that we can go through and use. There is value, and I wanted to take a moment here with this video in this digital photography course to absolutely positively praise the value of even distributions like this YouTube. One of the great and tremendous disservices that the wider world of creativity has done is diminish the value of a creative piece of work based on the media that it is distributed in. Somehow, the only way for a photograph to be of worth is to be printed in, National Geographic. And I know that that is an old example because there are no prints any longer. The only way that a digital photo has value is if it is in a gallery somewhere. The only way that a movie, a film, and again that's digital here as well. The only way a movie has value is if it is distributed on, pick something, Apple TV Plus, where all your prestige stuff comes from, Max, which used to be HBO, etc. I want to tell you that that's no longer, absolutely no longer true. These types of videos here on YouTube, and some of the ones that we will be putting together later through this course, they have value because they have a message, they have creativity, they have value that can be distributed to people. And whatever the medium is, here in YouTube, we will actually use YouTube as an upload media. We will use Adobe Spark to create pages rather than, rely on some of the more heavily involved web programming varieties that we can do. You will actually see and be able to host on your own website, like with your own URL, through a variety of these platforms. So again, relating all the way back to video number 2, that creativity, that the worth of creativity is not tied to the platform. The worth of the creativity is not tied to the camera. The worth of the creativity is not tied here behind me to the distribution platform. Everything that makes a digital photograph worthwhile, everything that makes, in this case, it's a video worthwhile, is a connection between what the artist means to create and how it is that that is communicated to the audience. So we will be doing those with 2 textbooks and with probably, it's just under 40 videos like this or like this. And we will not get in the habit of judging them based on the platform that they're distributed with.